Looking for the best Coursera data science career path? Whether you're a complete beginner or already have experience, I'll walk you through the best Coursera programs for each stage of your journey. Before we begin, check the link in the description. It gives you access to the current Coursera Plus discount. If you plan to follow a full Coursera data science career path, this is the smartest way to save money. If you're a beginner, start with the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. You don't need any prior coding or data science experience. This program teaches Python, SQL, data visualization, machine learning, and real-world data analysis. You'll also complete hands-on projects and build a portfolio you can show to employers. It's one of the best starting points in the Coursera data science career path. If you're at the intermediate level, move on to the Microsoft Azure Data Scientist Professional Certificate. This program is designed for learners who already understand the basics of Python and machine learning. You'll learn how to build, train, deploy, and manage machine learning models using Microsoft Azure. It's a great next step in your Coursera data science career path, especially if you want in-demand cloud skills. If you're an advanced learner, take the Advanced Statistics for Data Science Specialization from Johns Hopkins University. This program dives deep into probability, statistics, linear models, and regression. It's ideal for strengthening your mathematical foundation and completing your Coursera data science career path. Buying these programs individually can get expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is such a great value. It gives you access to over 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations from top institutions like IBM, Microsoft, Google, Johns Hopkins, and more. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is 40% off, bringing the price down from $399 to $239 for a limited time. If you're serious about building a Coursera data science career path, it's one of the best investments you can make. Check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.